Well, by far the best first timer I've ever seen.
That's pretty awesome.
Yeah.
I'm actually doing a vlog.
Okay.
So I'm going to put it on the internet, but that's pretty good to hear.
Yeah.
What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel, Stuff About Stuff, where I talk about stuff, of course, in my opinion. And on today's awesome episode, we are, or well, I am, going to be flying. What do I mean by that? Stay tuned. Let's go. Okay, this is what I mean. We are going flying with indoor skydiving. Check it out. 3 p.m, but I have to be here at 2, right? Are we allowed to film in there? Am I allowed to film in there?
Not in the tunnel.
But am I allowed to, is she allowed to film me?
Yeah, if you're not flying, yeah, of course.
Cool.
Daniel.
Yes, indeed.
Treat sign here from Daniel.
They try to ask you first, you know? It's like, are you a bit hungry? That means I am.
Does somebody need to go to the toilet?
Yes.
I think they do. So here I am, about to go some Ifly. So this is apparently 2 minutes. Doesn't sound like very long. We'll see how much time that is actually in there, because 2 minutes sounds like very quick for about $130 or however much it is. This is a birthday present from Veronica, my wife, who is taking me, apparently she paid a little bit extra, which takes me up to the very top. I'm hoping I get in there and spin around and around and around, but somehow I don't think they're just going to let me do that. Somehow I don't think I'm going to be even capable of doing that, but you know, I'm going to give it my best shot. Anyway, hopefully I'll be able to take the little Osmo action in there, but again, probably not. So let's see how much fun this actually is. Awesome. Let's check this out. So this guy controls the flight and the time of what's going on in here and the power, I guess, if they need to chuck in more power to throw him up. But I'm pretty sure it also depends on how he moves his arms and his hands that catch the wind and turn him. The woman was giving us an example before.
And when you do your head up like this, you go high.
I'm learning how to do this. Veronica, who's never done it before.
I watched now 3 of them, so I learned now. I can do it. I can do it. I can show you.
She's watching.
If they would let me, I would show you how to do it.
I'm making fun of her, but the truth is that she could probably actually do it pretty well. True. Huh?
Thank you, babe. I was a bit scared, so I said I watched.
Although she's not doing it because she's chickening out. But see this, I'm going to go, this is the wind, and I'm going to go and fly all the way up there. Yeah, people have the funniest faces. Let's.
Oh shit, you missed it.
He's done. This guy needs a new pair of pants, mate. Somebody buy him a new pair of pants. about to do. First time. Pretty sure I can do it.
This one here, this lady, she's the only one who was able to do it on her own. And I watched at least 50 of them. Good on her. Obviously the next person who will do it on his own is my husband. Goes without saying.
Okay, I'm being taken into the classroom. Let's see how much he lets me record. Cool. Hey, how are you? Can I record some of this?
Hey?
Can I record some of this?
Is that everyone? No one's here with anyone else that's not here right now? No. Cool. Alright, how are you all feeling? Excited? Nervous? All the above?
Bit excited?
Sweet. Has anyone done this before? No. Cool. Alright, well my name's Blair, guys. I'll be flying with you today. This little video goes over what tunnel flying is, and then I'll go through a bit more of the instructions at the end of it. So just pay attention to this one.
Welcome to Ifly. You're about to fly in one of the most advanced body flying tunnels in the world.
You're just about to go. You excited?
I'm excited. Is that my suit?
The super suit. Now, there we have Daniel. Of course you can do it. No question. Duh. I mean, I was just kidding, but he's actually amazing. Oh my god, how does he know? He's a liar. He must have been here before. Like, literally nobody was able to do it on its own. Only that one lady. This man is just, I don't know, blessed. This man is blessed. Amazing, amazing. God, how can he just do this? So Daniel is an amazing manifester, and I think why he can do these things is because he just simply thinks he can do it, and then he does it.
How good was that? So much fun. It's actually fun. It's actually like exhilarating and fun. Am I really close? It's actually exhilarating and fun. It's like you got to turn like that to get that way, and then you put your head forward and you go up, and then you put your head back and you go down. It's really cool.
You just use it to know instinctively what to do.
Well, you can tell because you just turn and it pushes you, huh?
The guys behind me said he obviously did it before.
Really? Nah, my first time. Who said that? Nah. It's fun. I've definitely learned how to do it and do it way more often. It'd be so much fun. I guess skydiving's next. Let's go. So this is Blair, and Blair just took me flying. He was in the ring with me, and he's obviously pretty good at it. How did you learn to get so good at it?
I was skydiving before this, and then it cross relates pretty easy.
Same thing. So was it like the first time in there? You just were like, oh, sweet, easy.
Yeah, I have about 3,000 jumps. So
3,000 jumps. Yeah, right, cool. How long does the jump go for?
The jump, well, it kind of depends, but about 40 seconds ish of free fall.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, so it's pretty quick.
Yeah.
So that's about as quick as a regular jump.
Yeah.
So if I was to come and get good at it and practice, how long do I need in there?
So the way you were just flying down, it was as if you'd already flown 10, 15 minutes easily.
Cool. Awesome.
So,
Okay. Great.
Yeah. It wouldn't take you long. The only other movements is you're kind of moving forward and back, so we could just make that a little bit sharper.
Yeah.
And then moving side to side, and that's all your 8 points of movement. Then you could move on and get flying it back.
Yeah. Well, I didn't know actually what I didn't know. The only thing I knew, the only instruction you gave me was to head back and head forward.
Yeah.
Here, you want to hold it? The only instruction I had was head backwards and head forward. Goes like that.
Yeah.
And so that's all I was doing. I was just going head back, head forward.
It's perfect.
But if I had a note, and I knew obviously that was left and
Hands,
right, but
yeah.
I kind of didn't know what I was doing if I was putting my hands forward.
Yeah. No. Well, because at one point, when you push the glass away, that makes you go backwards as well.
Yeah.
And then when you pull your arms forward and that. So yeah.
So if I bring my arms like that, do I go
forward?
Do I go forward?
Yeah, it's all about surface area, where you remove or put surface area. So when you straighten your legs, you've got more surface area behind you, so it'll push you forward.
Okay.
And then go backwards, you either bend
Bend
your
your
legs or push.
I'll
or
push
both.
your arms. Okay.
Yeah. So
And-
you just increase surface area.
And how do you go around so fast without hitting the windows? Because I'm sure I could spin that fast.
Yeah.
But I reckon if I spin that fast, I'd probably smack in the window at some point.
Well,
Is there wind near the window that holds you away from it?
nah, it's all centrifugal force. So the faster you spin, the quicker, the safer it is.
Right.
And that's what we tell people to straighten their legs, so they're constantly moving forward, and we kind of anchor them and spin on that point.
Right. Okay. Cool.
But yeah, if we were to go slow, we'd probably be bumping into the walls potentially.
Yeah. Right. Okay. Yeah. Well, I was doing in the beginning. Well, I was doing most of the time, but yeah.
No, you crush it.
But yeah. Okay. But it seemed to do all right anyway. Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, thanks for flying with me. Thanks for answering my questions.
That's all right, mate. Have a good one.
Nice to meet you, Blair.
See you
Thanks.
later.